Hi. So there are many situations in our life where we have to face acute kind of situations. Maybe there is some indigestion, there is some injury, there is some pain in the abdomen, etc., for which we generally rush to the chemist and buy something over the counter. Now at Prana, we have come up with a kit which contains 20 homeopathic remedies which cover all these conditions. Now, this kit is something which can be kept anywhere or taken during your travel. These contain 20 homeopathic remedies which cover the most common conditions that anybody in the family could encounter, and this kit is very easy to carry anywhere. This kit comes with an insert which explains which remedy can be used for which condition. So I would recommend that you should a family who is under homeopathic treatment should have this kit, so that you can, during an acute problem, you can call your doctor and he can guide you as to which remedy you can use for your patients, instead of going to the chemist and buying something over the counter. So I'm sure that those who are on chronic treatment or those who have a family and small kids, this kit is really useful. Thank you.